marginalized. And when you come as people who are supposed to lead with better example, and we have a opposition leader who presents himself on platform in this kind of manner, it's really saddening, really sad.
Yeah. Yes, sir. We appreciate you. We appreciate you, sir. We appreciate all the gifts that you have given. All of you should give a gift to the show. Okay. We are doing overtime. We normally come on at 6 o'clock and we leave at 9 o'clock. So we're 8 minutes on the overtime. But there are people in the box that we want to give a little time to, say their little piece. In the meantime,
Thank you for having me.
Yes. This is your first time coming up, right?
No, this is my second time coming out.
Oh, okay. All right. Thank you for coming and keep listening. We appreciate
I'll definitely come back. I'll definitely come back because I enjoy the platform. I'm always here, but I never come up. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You're
all right.
Thank you, sir. Also, Thompson, thank you so much. Yep. Thank you. Thank you so much for that.
Go ahead. Fancy?
Good evening.
Evening.
Yes. All I want to say
night,
to you.
Right. Night, no.
Good night. Yes.
Good night. Good night, neighbor. Good night, everyone. Yes. I just want to say my little piece, and the piece that I want to say is the part that neighbor touch. I support him with that. That the supporters of the party, all the workers of the party, they has to speak to the issue of when the PNP is talking about they are for the poor. Because any party in Jamaica will do anything for the poor is the Jamaica Labour Party. And I agree with you on that. We have to mash down that lie. Yes, and that's all I want to say.
Well, I think we have to challenge negative narratives.
Yes.
Maybe I'll talk on that tomorrow. You have to challenge negative narrative. Sir, counterfeit can pass as real, But you know how you challenge the counterfeit? By putting the original beside it. You know that? If you have a counterfeit note,
yes.
What you want to do is to get the real note, and you will see the difference. Because the counterfeit look real, it may feel real, but it's not real. And the real truth about in Jamaica today is that the party that has done more for the poor is the Jamaica Labour Party.
Is the Jamaica Party? It's indeed.
And sir, let me tell you this, because it is broader than that. It is not about it's not about a distributive policy. It's about an inclusive policy. And what I mean by that is that when you grow the economy, what you are doing is creating opportunities for the poor.
Yes.
You understand what I'm saying to you? So the man who gives you $5,000, you think he has done more for you? No. It is the man who takes the country out of debt so that you don't have to be burdened by it. Good night, Shani. How you doing? Can I make buy 2 saltfish fritters for me, please? 2 saltfish
fritters sell at this hour of night?
Yes, of course. I just
was a morning
the shop name because I make it free. Shani?
So neighbor, before Shani coming.
And a juice.
So neighbor, the Labour Party supporter who is blowing the horn, if they could just step back from blowing the horn but bring this message, you understand, so the Jamaican people can really understand that is a myth, it's a lie, and the PNP people use it at all times as if they're doing anything for the poor. Going to the Prime Minister's constituency, and I'm talking about Mr. Pattison constituency in Westmoreland. And the houses they give, it's more of a board house. The houses that really built from NHT, they has to buy that, dig deep for that. And I hear somebody was talking about Mr. Pattison did give some concession. He was too, because the interest rate was so high down there. at the time. You understand? So they don't have any feet. They don't have any feet to stand on about poor people in no way, shape, or form.
Yes, sir. All right. Take care of yourself, eh?
Thank you so very much. I have a blessed evening.
You
And
too.
big up Jamaica girl. And
Thank
and
you.
Scratchy. I like how Scratchy talk because I hear Damon Crawford talking about he's giving the Prime Minister name Criveny. But Damon Crawford just damaged himself more and more and he do these things. And I hear you calling on him to stop the bantering. But he doesn't know better. And a person who don't know better not going to do better. So he can continue in the junking state that he's at because he's not going to get far with where he's going. Yes, sir.
Don't come off
thank
line.
you.
Don't come off line, listeners, without sending a gift to the show. Please do not come off
Yes.
line.
And take
Can't
us to
send a gift now.
100K
You need
before
to
we
get in
close
touch
out,
with us.
please.
Yeah.
So thank you
Don't
very
come off
much.
line without sending a gift.
All right. Good night,
It's in the room.
Francis.
All right. Thank you very much.
We need our 100K like before we get off.
My love for you will never change. Active Fire, you're here. Active Fire.
Actually,
Hey, my
stop the
comment
screen and share the live.
the show. You send a gift. Okay, please do that. Let's keep politics
Cunningham.
growing.
Derek,
Go
you're
ahead,
there?
girl. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Derek, are you there?
Derek. What a flick with Derek. Winston is on a second bite. We had Winston already.
Bite and swallow. No chewing,
Yes.
Winston. No chewing. Bite and swallow.
Neighbor Winston start work from like 5, 6 in the morning, the neighbor.
You see?
Oh, Winston is all I do. Don't sleep.
By the way, Scratchy, what's the
Neighbor, don't play with Winston, neighbor. Winston is on from 5 and neighbor. Winston traverse every night and give him take.
You know,
Yes.
Scratchy. I just want to say that early on you were excellent. You were on the button.
Respect my boss.
It's only a pity that you're not here in the Highlands at the moment because I think you'll do a better job with the PR for the political machinery.
Yeah, man, we love the party,
Comment.
bad, man, Winston.
I see people in the comments, Winston calling on him to be the chairman of the Labour Party.
Yeah, man. I think you will do well as a campaign PR person.
Yeah, man. In my constituency, Winston, I'm fully active, even when I'm away,
Yes.
Yeah, man, I'm fully active, man. I respond to all of my runners, all of my indoor.
Yeah, man. Likewise. That's the position I play.
Yeah, man, that's the position. Cause Winston, see you, Winston, I say you like the ground. I mean, like the ground to Winston.
Yeah, that's where the politics has been won, sir.
Exactly, on the ground.
Yeah. I thought all the while that all the candidate do is only provide the resources, but
Exactly.
it is the ground that do the politics.
Pressy and Kimmy would make a good team, eh?
Hanging out with you.
Neighbor, good program. Good program as usual, neighbor.
Yes.
Very informative. And from now on, I will no longer call a neighbor about the new and rising Matty Perkin.
Yeah, man. I agree, Winston. I second that, Winston.
Yeah.
Scratchy, pick up yourself.
Bless up in the Maki, my bro. Enough love, my bro.
Look here, neighbor. I know you're going to cut out shortly, but I want to make the point. Since you're on the Damon Crawford issue, I want you to find the Damon Crawford dubbing, the cut it dub. I want you to play that. Because remember you said eloquently, that the elections is won in the air and on the ground. And this just go to show you make a buffoon yourself. You can use it and make a dub, an effective dub. So I want you to play the cut it dub before you leave. Trust me, I find it hilarious, man.
I don't know if Jamaica girl has it.
I don't. What you say? called Maki. Okay.
You know the thing, right? What him saying, the Prime Minister, and the remix is for the Prime Minister.
I've heard it though. I've heard it, yes.
Come on, let's run the place, man.
Yeah, we take it. You know, guys, it takes so long to produce this program. You'll be shocked to know. I start working on this program at about 2 o'clock today. Didn't finish until about 6.
There you go.
You know
That's
what?
why those are sleeping at the toilet, you know, up through the night. That's what I'm saying.
Right, yeah, man. Eyes by great man, rich and kept.
We're not attained by such
Exactly.
like
Yes, man. We're not a
but
team
while
by
your
fly.
companion slept.
The companion slept. They were tired through the night.
Right through the night.
Right through the night.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
You know,
Okay.
you know,
Is that Jamaica girl? She has it. She has it.
Yeah, see W.
All right.
You can find the sound now.
Give us volume.
This is funny, man.
You have to send it to me.
Yeah, but this is how you use your opponent words against them, man. And win the airwaves.
Boy, we have some fantastic listeners here. 350 people. I just told them that I'm signing up and they won't. I appreciate you guys so much.
You know, neighbor, I just, what I would say to you, I know that it takes time, it takes resources to produce such an excellent
And it takes
program.
cash to
And take cash as well.
Yes, sir.
But I do not want you to, I don't want you to get downhearted and throw
starting
it,
next week.
because-
I can only afford 1 hour next week.
Yeah. I don't want you to throw in the towel, neighbor, because I know that big radar contract is coming up. So I don't want you to throw in the towel.
Am I speaking to Bean?
Yeah.
Blushes.
That big radar contract is coming up, neighbor.
Guys,
I
we
think
want
it's
to 100K taps
watch it from
before we get
Canada?
off.
White Noise Jamaica. But
I think
Winston,
I saw somebody said they're watching from Africa the other day, you know, and they were asking when is the election.
oh my goodness, Politics Plus is in Africa. Oh, look at that, Politics Plus Ghana, Africa. Oh,
I need 100K taps before we get off. Happy
Keisha Riley 197. How you doing? Anyway, but
Is that
seriously,
Keisha with the hot topic?
yeah. Huh?
Is that
By the way-
Keisha with the hot topic?
You know who I was listening to today, Jamaica girl, Almina. You remember Almina?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, I heard you talk to her, call her name last night, and I didn't even remember. By the way, Jamaica Politics, if you want to catch Neighbor on YouTube, Jamaica Politics, go to YouTube and type in Jamaica Politics, and the program is right there. You'll catch rebroadcasts of the program.
But neighbor, I
I
don't
was
know
telling-
if it is because
I was telling you that I start preparing for this program like 2-3 o'clock in the afternoons. So it can take me between 3 and 4. Just to
Man
prepare
of
for
God
this.
said he was in Germany and people were watching the live. So neighbor is in
Germany?
Germany. Neighbor, you're global, man. You're
Neighbor
global.
global, man.
Yeah,
Neighbor
global,
global.
neighbor.
The program is in Germany. Oh, but you know, somebody called me to tell me that they were in New York, and somebody came in and heard the program playing. What they heard was the Perkins laugh and asked, "What was that? Is Mr. Perkins that? Is Mr. Perkins?" Oh my goodness, Mr. Perkins still
You have the
around?
Perkins laugh. You have the Perkins laugh, but neighbor, man.
Yes, I have. I know that Bahamas is online and Trinidad and Tobago. Oh my goodness, Barbados. People all over Canada and Britain. Huh? I know here, Germany and South Africa. This is a big show, Snatty. This is a big show.
Big show, neighbor. You have a big show, you have. You have a big show, neighbor.
But neighbor, I wonder still not if not only for the influx of technology, but this election generated a lot of interest in the diaspora. I've never seen it like this before.
You know, Scratchy has been making that point. I wonder if Scratchy has been making that point that he has never seen such interest being generated among both supporters and also among those who are uncommitted. I think it is the onset of social media too, you know.
Yes. The clip that Jamaica girl just played, we can show that your visitors are watching the Prime Minister overseas. Is a huge deal, you know. It's a huge deal, neighbor. When I heard it, I was very impressed. And just go to show that when you're humble and you just put a message together and you speak cognitively enough, person will appreciate and understand.
Yes. Jamaica is indeed.
I tell you, man, I feel good.
No, if you're watching that video on YouTube, you see several ads come on advertising that real estate agents overseas advertising that they're able to get your property in Jamaica.
Mm-hmm.
So clearly, it is a big deal right now. It's a big deal.
Yeah, but this government remains in power, Scratchy. Scratchy, this government remains in power for another 9-10 years, you know. I can tell you, you know. First, going to leave other places and come here to live.
Trust me, I mean, even with the whole thing, Maki, where they're trying to introduce the whole freedom of movement in CARICOM, Jamaica will benefit the most from that in the neighbor.
Yeah.
So the freedom of movement in CARICOM, the Jamaicans are going to benefit, and that is why a lot of these Caribbean countries, that's why a lot of them don't want to really initiate it and push it and make it faster and come to as fast as possible, you know. Which is certain countries, 4 countries I believe has pledged that they would love for it to come on stream by October of this year.
Oh, Portmore is online. Waterford, good night.
October by next year. That would be wonderful, Jamaica girl. We have that freedom of movement across the Caribbean, just like how we have in Europe and certain places.
It should have been happening a long time. It's one of the reasons why I've been so against CARICOM, because I say it doesn't serve any purpose.
Yeah, I'm not a big fan of CARICOM.
Between the islands by now, for the time that we've had CARICOM.
Yeah, I think.
I go to work in Bahamas or wherever.
I think Trinidad has benefit more from CARICOM than any other Caribbean island.
Yes.
But it's realigning now, though, people, because with the fact that Guyana's ports of harbour is not as fruitful as ours, they have been sending their oil to us to refine it now, you know. Trinidad now. So Jamaica right now, holding straight now, is going to benefit a lot in the Caribbean now.
I think
what's happening in the States.
Maki, I think culturally, we have always been the capital of the Caribbean culturally, neighbor. But in terms of being that, you know, yes, culturally you don't have that much stuff, but if we have that financial control now, Maki.
Economic power, you mean?
Yes, that economic power, that is where we need to go now in terms of with the Caribbean, and we have full control over the Caribbean. With economic,
and it's getting there, man.
But culturally, we are the capital of the Caribbean culturally.
We are heading there. We are heading there, Scratchy. We are heading
there. Man, definitely, Winston. I feel it, Winston. I feel it.
Scratchy, this refinery thing is a big deal. Let me tell you that.
Yes.
This refinery thing, signed with Trinidad and with Guyana soon, is a big deal.
It's a big deal, yeah. And
in the Caribbean.
I think it's time for us now maybe to invest in a next refinery.
Yeah, even in the western part of the island.
I think one need to go. I think one need to go into Clarendon and the Vernon Free land.
Anyway, guys, I saw it for tonight.
Yes, neighbor, blessings.
You know, Scratchy. Even if we do not stock oil and we are refining oil for other countries, there is a big economic income.
Definitely, Winston.
Yes, most definitely.
There are so many value added that you can make from that.
Jamaica girl?
Yes, all right.
We have to go plan a little party, you know, with all of these active listeners, like Action Jackson. Action Jackson has been with us from the very start.
Yes.
Is she a male or a female? Action Jackson.
It's a male.
It's a man?
Yes.
I think Portland Eastern it come from.
Yes.
And Rivers constituency.
And Rivers.
Action and brother.
Action Jackson is a man?
Yes, Action Jack is a man.
He is.
That's why
You know that
you
there's
must
a
have
next.
fallen-
You know that neighbor.
you
There's
must
a
have
next.
fallen-
There's a next.
Was a female as well.
There's an next like an online neighbor who I want to. I don't know if that person is. Sometimes even when I'm on platforms, I don't know how to. If I don't know if I must say sir or miss, and I don't want to seem like I'm disrespecting the person.
Kingston 11.
Yes.
Kingston 11 is a male.
I didn't know. Oh, okay. No disrespect or anything to
He's
Kingston.
a male.
I swear Action Jackson was a woman.
I
My
thought so
goodness.
initially as well, but I learned.
At first, I thought Action Jackson was a woman as well.
Here I was thinking that I'd like to go to Portland to meet Action Jackson. I changed my mind.
You have to stick to Kerry. You have to stick to Kerry.
Winston, someone saying Kingston 11 is a woman.
No, man. Kingston 11.
No, it's a man.
It's a man,
He's
Navy.
male,
Navy,
yeah.
but it's a man.
Yeah, man. He's a male.
Wow.
I thought, yeah, man, a general. Kingston 11 a general, man. Fully up.
All right, Action Jackson, you're a man. Well, we like men, but we don't love them.
And neighbor, you already have something good going on for you in Portland. You have beautiful Kerry. She will be down
No,
south, so
but
you
Winston,
can come over to Portland.
Winston, which way you did it last night? Neighbor find one over St. Mary, Western St. Mary last night.
Neighbor, you're going places.
Well, I was trying a thing, but then I realized that I don't want to get no bus heads, so we leave that. Back off fast.
What's her name again, neighbor? What's her name again?
Well, leave that alone. You know, one of the things I learned is from my brother. You never go to a woman's house, you know. You never do that. You don't go to a woman's house. Leave that alone.
As we don't reach the 100K tops as yet, let's go.
Yeah, it is-
We're close.
Taps and roses.
Navi's a girl. Navi's a girl. We know that. Eh? Navi's a girl. By the way, okay. We're straight. Not effeminate.
You know, neighbor, Navi now and Tari is burning up the internet, you know. They are the new kid on the block.
Well, you know, sir, I get so many messages. You know, when I come offline like now, my phone is jam packed with so many messages from both sides. I have to spend maybe half hour trying to respond to all of them. I need an assistant to make a group.
That's why sometimes when you text me on TikTok, I don't see it, neighbor. If you text me on WhatsApp, I more see it, because when you text me on TikTok, neighbor, I don't read none of the message there. I don't look at none of it. Sometimes, neighbor, right now I'm supposed to have about, what is 2,100 odd.
My God.
Really?
Yeah, neighbor, right now, neighbor, I have about 900 WhatsApp message.
Yeah. I love that.
Spy them up. When I had 4 months time, I read them and reply.
Love Navi, and I
Go
like
and
that.
get to me, I get me on the
Nessa.
Snapchat.
Nessa too.
As I
Let's
spoke
add
to Tari.
special big up.
Yeah,
ahead.
Keisha, you have to get me on the Snap.
Special big up to our silent viewers. You know, we have some legend people here in our neighbor who are here all day, every day, and they don't say a word. People like what's her name? Dab. We have Erica. Miss K Crepe Place. I can't call her name properly. Who else is always here? A lot of people always here. Laverne Da Costa is always here with us. Never say anything.
Keisha C.
Yes, Keisha is always here. We
Keisha
have a
C.
Marshall, Selburn, Cox, Paul
Well,
Campbell.
Guys, we're planning the party.
Bernice
We're planning the party. Yeah?
Yeah, man. Yes.
We're planning the party, getting
Paul
together.
Juba is here every day.
After election victory party.
Well, before.
Before the election.
Yes.
Well, you know, the results of the elections are already determined.
I'm not gonna be at that party. I'm not gonna be at that party if it's before anyway.
If you want to
Neighbor,
celebrate
I come
afterwards.
Jamaica. Neighbor, I'm gonna visit Jamaica the day before the election and go back home the next day.
Neighbor,
Okay.
neighbor,
Nobody
don't
not
want-
going to see you at all, Scratchy.
neighbor, I don't want you to make any enemy, you know. When you
Enemies?
make utterances like these, you're making enemies.
What
You got
enemy?
yourself, Claudette Fox.
Yes, Claudette. Claudette, we're
Claudette.
still waiting to hear you in the box.
Yeah, Claudette, our dear one. Claudette, our dear one, too.
Claudette is a Claudette is a original.
Yeah, Claudette, our dear
Claudette Yard, this man. Claudette Yard.
Yeah.
Well,
They
neighbor,
will bless up and
neighbor,
keep safe, you know.
I think
Nobody
the
big up
other
themselves.
thing- I think all the students of the past multiplicans are finding you very intriguing. So good to go.
Is that so? Is that
Yes,
so?
sir. Good to go.
Let me tell you something. I did not realize that. And I think I have my own style. But I started listening to Moti from I was a child, you know.
And Motte the boss, man.
And I admired his analytical capacity, yeah. But I think Moti himself was very frustrated with Jamaica and Jamaicans. And
yes.
and died a sad man, I think. I remember how Moti pleaded with Jamaicans to vote for the Labour Party many times, and they didn't. I mean, after the elections and you came, you realized that he was broken, really broken. Through that period of the 90s, very broken man.
Because he realized that Jamaica was using Mr. Edward Seaga at the time. Jamaica was voting against the future.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But
Jamaica could be so much more, neighbor. So much more.
I'm no Moti, please.
Caroline and Determined Dame, our Prime Global. Thank you guys for the gifts. I notice you're all loyal gifters every day. So thank you guys for supporting the live. And everybody else, Maki, everybody that sent a rose, everybody that tapped. Thank you guys for your support.
Neighbor, I believe they say after
Neighbor,
July
my
25th, you
bedtime,
can't make any gift again, you know.
Why?
I think TikTok is coming with some new restriction come July 25th, you know.
Well, we've been asking for 20 partners to help us to support the program. The forecast is a paid feature. We pay the forecast. I mean, I asked for his permission to say that, and he said yes. That's a contract that we have gotten into that we have to honor every time. So we are now at Mondays and Thursdays. So Casey will be back here on Thursday. So listeners, pitch in and help us. Yeah, we soon line up everything, okay?
Pitching and help.
Pitch in and help.
Neighbor, we're partnered by bedtime, you know. So I'm gonna
Yes, I pull up stumps too, myself.
Yeah.
Scratch everybody big up
Early
themselves.
sleep, Jamaica girl.
Yes, I get up by 3-4 o'clock scratchy, so by 9 I am out.
Yeah.
Yep.
You tie goat and them stuff there?
I wish. I wonder if they had have any leave I can get.
You might just cut it. Neighbor, take care of yourself. Everybody take care of themselves. Blessings.
Bless up, Marky. Bless up, Marky.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Bless up, Marky.
All right, take care,
Yes, yes.
Winston.
Navi,
Bless up,
you're coming out
Marky.
late. Navi? Okay, that's gonna be it for today. All right, guys. So until tomorrow, have a great night. Take care of yourself. Take care of your families, and catch you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bless up, neighbor. Bless up, everyone.
By the way, Scratchy, before you go, what's the schedule, man? You need to let me know how often you'll be here.
Neighbor, as I say, the neighbor, you see Canada, neighbor. Canada is a tricky place in the neighbor. Oh, I do it here in Canada, neighbor. I go hard 6 months and then I rest for 6 months, you know.
Uh-huh.
Because I don't work in no winter, neighbor. So I go hard in the summer so that I don't have to work in the winter.
I understand. Yes.
Yeah, so sometimes I'm on it, you know. Yeah, I go hard in the summer, neighbor, so that I don't have to work in the winter.
Sanchez, one of the biggest reggae artists coming out of